Trust doesn't rebuild in a straight line. It moves through 4 distinct phases. Once you know which one you're in, you stop feeling lost. Welcome to Lesson 3. We've looked at the layers of trust and its 5 dimensions. Now let's talk about time, because trust doesn't rebuild in a straight line. It moves through phases, 4 of them, and each one has its own feel. The first phase is cautious hope. This is where trust begins again, but only in small, fragile ways. You're hopeful but guarded. You're watching closely and you feel a little braced. And I want you to hear this, that watchfulness is not paranoia. In this phase, it's exactly right. It's appropriate and it's necessary. The second phase is testing and proving. This is where you start to see whether the behavior holds. You're looking for patterns now, not promises, watching how they handle an ordinary stressful day, a trigger, a disappointment. This phase takes a while, and it's meant to. The third phase is integration and acceptance. This is where trust begins to feel more natural again. You notice you're not checking constantly. You're not bracing for bad news every time the phone rings. You start cautiously to believe in the steadiness of their recovery. And the fourth phase is mature trust. This is the long-term kind, realistic, grounded, resilient. It isn't naive, and it isn't on permanent high alert either. It's a trust that knows addiction is a chronic thing, and also knows recovery can be stable and real. Now, 2 honest things about these phases. You don't move through them quickly, and you don't move through them neatly. There's no gold star for speed. And after a relapse, you may find yourself back in an earlier phase, and that is not starting again from zero. You carry everything you've learnt with you. Here's the gift in this. When you can name the phase you're in, you stop feeling lost. You stop asking, why am I still so anxious, or why aren't I further along? You realize trust has a timeline of its own, and you, the foundation, are allowed to be exactly where you are today. Your workbook has a simple page, which phase am I in, to help you place yourself with kindness. There's no right answer, only where you honestly are. In our final lesson, we'll bring it all down to the everyday, the daily tools, the boundaries that protect your safety, and the way back when there's a setback. Fill in which phase am I in your workbook. Then join me for our final lesson in this part, Lesson 4, next in the playlist. Daily tools, boundaries and setback repair. Mokmulninja ni famins pun pun fun.